Hey, what's up? This is Dalton. I want to throw a really quick, cool news flash to you. Today, it has been announced that Africa has just created its first smartphone, and it specs are very close to those to the iPhone. Okay, and because it's not a uh, banned country like China right now that we're in trade wars with, it can use the latest version of Android. That's right. And I challenge you, I challenge your average consumer, Marcus, and I Justine, and all of them. I challenge you to get your hands on one and review it. Because I guarantee you the media is going to try to shut down the fact that Africa has created and it's getting rave reviews, but it's created its first powerful, beautiful, I saw previews of it, beautiful Android phone. And you know it's going to be considerably cheaper than anything you're going to buy of the latest tech from iPhone. It's going to be considerably cheaper because it's Android. I'm talking about the price, not the quality. And it's getting rave reviews. And I challenge those YouTubers to even review it because the media's going to try to shut it out. The fact that this is you had African engineers, you had African manufacturers. Okay, it was all done in Africa. Okay, people of color. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of people pissed off because it's going to clash with the stereotype that they like to have against Afro Americans and Africans about being educated and having the ability to do what anyone else can do in tech. Okay, they're gonna get all mad, and you're gonna start seeing people's shoulders getting big and fucked up. But hey, who cares? Welcome to the tech world, Africa. Beautiful. And as soon as I get off work, I will put a link at the very bottom. Okay, I will put a link uh, to the article and the videos of that particular smartphone. It is awesome. It looks great. Really big screen too. Very, very nice. All right. I can't wait to try to save up some money and get my hands on one. All right. Welcome to the world, tech world, Africa, and thank you for destroying racist ideas and stereotypes about Africans and Afro Americans not being able to get into the higher levels of manufacturing, engineering, and creating quality tech. Okay? Much love. I had to throw this quick one out to you. This is for everybody. I'm just excited. All right? This is a new day. Step one for Africa. Step one for the world. Okay? It's a new day. Things are changing behind the scenes and in front. Peace out. Oh, yeah. Subscribe and please share this. Okay? Give me comments below. Okay? Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Either way, you're cool with me. And I'll rap to y'all later. Peace. This is a short bite from Dalton, baby. Peace. Oh, yeah.